So today we're going to take a look at the JBL Flip 6 and we're going to compare it to the JBL Flip 5 to help you guys decide which one is the better purchase for you. If you already own the JBL Flip 5, we're going to see if the Flip 6 is worth the upgrade. So let's jump right into it. As far as the design, the big difference is going to be the large JBL logo on the Flip 6 compared to the much smaller logo on the Flip 5. The logo on the Flip 6 does give the speaker a nice facelift, but aside from that, the overall design and size is pretty much the same. One small difference you'll notice is this small rubber stand on the back of the Flip 6, which is designed to keep the speaker from rolling backwards. As you can see, this is not included on the Flip 5. As far as connection, the Flip 6 is using Bluetooth 5.1 compared to the Bluetooth 4.2 on the Flip 5. So in theory, you're going to get a more stable connection and better range with the Flip 6. Both speakers support Party Boost, so you're able to pair either speaker with any other JBL Party Boost speakers. As far as water resistance, both speakers are waterproof, so the Flip 5 has an IPX7 rating and the Flip 6 has an IP67 dust and water resistant rating. So with the Flip 6 having that dust tight certification, you're going to get more protection from things like sand or dirt. In terms of battery life, both speakers claim about 12 hours on a single charge, so no real differences there. Now let's get to the most important aspect, which is sound quality. So for starters, both speakers give you some amazing sound. You're getting extremely clean treble and clarity and surprisingly deep bass, especially considering their size. Anywhere under about 60% volume, I think the speakers sound nearly identical, but once you start getting closer to max volume, I do think the Flip 6 has the advantage. At those higher volumes, the clarity on the Flip 6 is noticeably cleaner, and I think it maintains better separation from the bass. I also think it gets just a tad bit louder than the Flip 5. But where the Flip 6 really sets itself apart is with EQ control. So within the JBL Portable app, you're able to adjust the bass, the mids, and the highs to really tailor the sound to your personal preference. And this is honestly the biggest difference between these two speakers. The feature works great. You can really hear the speaker adjusting to the different EQ changes. And like I said, it really allows you to get the type of sound that you want. So we're going to end the video with a few audio samples of both speakers to see if you can tell any difference.
Yeah.
I don't know what that dream is that you have.
Again and again and again.
It's wanting it
Until you make it happen, because you know
to want that dream.
that it's possible.
I mean, I got people counting on me, that's what motivate me. Go on and hate me, you still thinking he might make it. I can't fake it, it's all me and you hear it. Other people just rapping, I'm letting you hear my spirit. They feel something you ain't used to. Every word I utter, I'm hoping it comes useful. I ain't with the violence, I'm hoping to stay peaceful. But threaten my family and my dogs gon' meet ya. If I said it, I mean it, I'm bumping G-Easy. That's why I ain't blow up, they thinking it comes easy. Working with no budget, the money is just eating. But won't stop cause I was put here for a reason. Until I get on, you gon' see me keep going. I wanna be on TV.
Gonna wing it to begin at bust light, yeah. Forget the limits till you in it, I fuck, yeah. You gonna dance with the devil for the night, yeah. Take a light risk, or you too scared. A couple bottles can't do it, we need 2 pairs. Hop on the floor now, we are past chairs. Y'all seen stress too long, now you don't care. Don't dread shit, place a couple cards on the table. End up with your gold digging heart, you can cradle. Another debit card on the table. Beware of a gold digging heart near your table. Oh, it's a takeover. Run feel like a rock rover.
And I hope the wrong ones slip right through your magic fingers. And I hope we find some way to fall in love like we were. Yeah, you're the only reason I was California dreaming in the first place.
Seeing you in
Sundress seasons got me all up in my feelings for the old days, old days. I've got the summertime thinking about you and me in the way that it used to be. I've got the summertime blues, hoping that you might be still holding on to me. I still do think
So that's going to be it for this video. Do me a favor, if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel. And you can follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. Aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.